She ain't happy with the hole in the roof. Look at her walking away over there all mad. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I gotta hurry up and make this video because it is getting dark on me. We have a hole in the roof and we got thunderstorms rolling in this evening, tonight, and tomorrow morning and the next couple of days. So I got to get this fixed before it starts raining. It's a brand new roof, already got a hole in it. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Brandy, I'm waiting on Brandy. She said she'd get up there and help me do it, but there's no way I'm letting her get up there on that roof. She's gonna hold the ladder for me while I go up there, and it's really steep, so I got to be really careful. It's got to get done though, because we just insulated the house and we cannot let it get wet in there. So I'll try to show you guys some footage of crawling up there, and I'm gonna be super careful, guys. I know there's a lot of safety guys out there. I'm a safety guy myself, but that roof is steep and there's nothing I can do but just crawl up there on all fours pretty much and just be careful. So I'll bring you guys along. She ain't happy with the hole in the roof. Look at her walking away over there all mad. Man, it got dark in a hurry. So we got taken care of. No more rain going in the house. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click the little bell for notifications. I'll catch you on the next video, and it won't be on the roof. I promise you that. Talk to you guys later. Hey, what's up, guys? It's daylight now. I was editing the video and I realized I lost the footage of what I was doing. I didn't explain very well what I was doing to the roof, and all it was is the chimney up there. We never put a cap on it yet because we're still getting we still got to move over the wood stove inside this house, so we just haven't got to put a cap on it yet. So that's what I did last night. I put a piece of tin right up there, and I'll walk in there and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Try to zoom in up there for you. But whenever, watch out, let me move this. Whenever it rains, there's a big hole right up there, you can see that chimney coming up. There's just a big hole with no cap. So last night what I was trying to get done, so it ended up not raining last night, so that was okay. I put a big old piece of tin up there, about 36 by 36. It hangs over about 1 inch on each side, maybe 2 inches in the front. But it's perfect. It's kind of, you can't even tell it's on there. So I mean, it's not even really an eyesore. But yeah, as soon as we get all the pieces in to put the wood stove in, then we'll get that taken care of. But I want to show you guys climbing up there. That roof is steep. I mean, it looks steep whenever I use the drone footage, but you don't really know how steep it is until you get up there. I should have paid them roofers a lot more. I don't know how they're able to do that so quickly. I mean, they flew through there and just roofed that house. And I mean, it looks steep, but until you get up there, you don't realize just how steep it is. But I'll show you guys on the inside here what we got going on and explain a little bit to you. Yeah, so you can see we're going to have a fireplace, but really all it's going to be is a buck stove insert. I insert my stove right through there. But if I can get up in there, you can kind of see it now right there. There's a hole in the roof. The roof got a hole in it, so it would just rain all the way down here. But now we've got insulation, so we do not want to get that wet. So that's why it was such urgency to fix that last night. I don't think I ever did a complete walk around for you guys after they did the insulation, but I'll walk around the house, show you guys just a quick update. Me and my wife's uncle today, we did some work on the bathtub. I'll probably make another video just on that, on how we did and explain it to you guys. But I'll go over there and I'll show you what we did, but I'll make another video on everything. So you guys could check that out too, if you're interested in how do you install a bathtub. We're not installing it yet, we just put the framework up for it. The plumbers will bring it here and they'll set it in and they'll hook the plumbing up, but then I'll have to come back and I'll have to put the little sidewall up and you'll see all that. So after they bring the bathtub in, I'll make a video just on that. Well, I'll go in there and I'll show it to you guys. Yeah, you can see we put, I said in another video, but we put insulation on Hayden's wall. This is a living room, that's a bedroom, so we did that to insulate it. And then ours from the den area, our den in the kitchen, that's insulate our bedroom wall in there. And Gabby, what are you doing, Gabby? So what we did today, let's see here. So what we did today is we built this, framed this in. Now what we did is we framed it all in, but I did not set this up yet. So the plumbers will be able to move this, just move it right out of the way, and they can slide the bathtub right in. And then once they get all the plumbing hooked up and all that, I'll be able to, they'll push that up there, I'm guessing, but I'll come in here and I'll bolt it down to the ground and all that stuff. But yeah, that's what we did today. It took a couple hours, but it's all good. I used treated lumber on the bottom. That's what they did throughout the whole house. Every stud on the ground is all treated for the moisture, any moisture coming up of the concrete. It won't rot the wood. So that's good. And that's what we did right here too. Right here, we're supposed to, I think we're gonna have a shelf coming up right here. I don't know how high, but there's gonna be a shelf right here. So that's why we got a little bit bigger gap right here than we do over there. We were gonna put the shelf, the plans called for right here, but I was talking to her uncle and he was worried about the fixtures being so far out because they're gonna put it back behind there. So we just decided, let's just go ahead and put it over here and we'll have a shelf. We can put whatever she wants, I don't know. Wherever you put on shelves. And Gabby's just playing with everything. What are you doing, Gabby? So yeah, things are coming together. I'm actually bought a new hammer drill today. I borrowed that last one, but I went ahead and got me my own because we're gonna need it for, I'm gonna need it for that bathtub. And I just get tired of borrowing tools. I'll show it to you real quick. So I got me the DeWalt hammer drill. It's supposed to be a really good one. Then I got a little set. Attachments, Phillips, they got everything, flatheads, Phillips, all these, I don't know what they're called. I use a lot of these, that's why I use the screws. Made in China, what? These are what I'll put in the underneath the bathtub to hold the 2x4s down to the concrete. what you do is you'll drill it first, make a drill hole first, and then you'll sink these in there. Today, like I said, I lost some footage, so now I get to come out here in the daylight, talk to you guys a little bit about everything that we had going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me climbing up on the roof. I'm telling you, it was steep. I don't know how many times I could tell you it was steep. I wanted to wait for Brandy to get home. That way I could have done it myself, but if I would have fell off or the ladder would have slipped, you know, bad things can happen. You need another person here. I just can't be doing this by myself. Probably would have been fine, but I don't want to chance it. There ain't no sense in it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for some upcoming videos. I think I might be getting Brandy in a few videos. We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. So don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.